In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment methods on Shopify in 2025. Whether you're kicking off a new business or optimizing your existing store, setting up a payment provider is crucial for enabling smooth transactions with your customers. We'll walk through using Shopify Payments, the platform's built-in payment processor, as well as integrating other popular options like PayPal or Stripe. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and head over to the payment settings. This is your control center for managing payment systems. You'll see a variety of options to choose from. Picking the right one is a critical step to ensure money flows easily from your customers to you. If Shopify Payments is your choice, it's time to activate it. Click on Activate Shopify Payments, and you'll be prompted to complete your business information. This includes specifics about your business type, address, and personal details, as well as information about any other owners. Accurate details here ensure smooth verification and compliance. Next, it's important to submit your banking information. This is where your payouts will land, so make sure that these details are correct and think of it as setting up the plumbing for your online sales. With this in place, let's turn to security, an area that can't be overlooked. Shopify recommends, and we agree, enabling two-factor authentication. This extra layer of security helps protect your account from unauthorized access and secures sensitive information. You can find detailed guides on setting this up from the Shopify Help Center. Now, if Shopify Payments isn't available in your region, or you want to use other options, consider integrating third-party payment gateways. Providers like PayPal and Stripe are widely trusted and offer flexibility for international transactions. Follow their integration prompts to add these to your payment options. Additionally, you can manually set up alternatives such as cash on delivery or wire transfers, particularly useful if you're managing offline sales alongside your online store. There are a few key considerations to keep in mind when configuring your payment setup. Shopify Payments offers a seamless experience with competitive credit card rates, which can enhance your checkout conversion rates. On the other hand, third-party gateways give you the flexibility of wider geographic reach. It's also crucial to configure your checkout settings correctly and set up accurate shipping rates. These settings will ensure that your customers have a smooth checkout experience without any surprises and costs during their final stage of purchase. Before launching your store live, remember to remove the password restrictions in your online store settings. This small but essential step flips the sign on your store from closed to open and ready for business. By following these structured steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully setting up payments on your Shopify store, ensuring you can confidently start accepting orders and growing your business. Thanks for watching and happy selling!